Hi, I'm Frank Reyna. I'm a pharmacy technician and I'm on my way to becoming a Linux system administrator. Hi, I'm Frank Reyna and I am a pharmacy technician at a hospital at this time. As a pharmacy technician, um, there wasn't a whole lot of future mobility and moving up. So I've always wanted to get in IT, and at this time there was an opportunity for to do that, and I took the chance on myself and Yellowtail, and I wanted to become a Linux system administrator. What drove me to the path of becoming a Linux system administrator was that it was a good starting point to get into IT. It had strong fundamentals there, not just jumping in and trying to land a job that I don't think I'd be qualified for at this time. There's many certifications out there that, say that you can do the job, but I think this is a good starting point, and later on I can build upon this as an administrator from here. IT is something that I've wanted to do for a long time. It just took me a long time to find a program that really appealed to me and made sense compared to weekend training boot camps that, in 2 days learn everything there is about Linux. That was just not my style of learning. And as a pharmacy technician, I knew there's a very limited future there and I want more. So with my desire to get in IT and start somewhere and learn from, work my way up and show what I could do in IT is a greater future than showing what I can ever do as a pharmacy technician. I would say the biggest thing is time management, because my things, I do procrastinate somewhat, but I also have a lot of demands from family. And those are two things that make finding the time and putting in the effort and putting the studying that you need to learn what you need to learn to go out and have a successful career, not just get by, is probably the biggest thing that I had to learn, is to manage my time better and discipline myself to say, this is the time I need to study. This is the time I have to take care of family. This is the time that I take care of work. So my time was very rigid as to working a full-time job while also going to school and also taking care of family as needed. I would say that don't wait. Once you get your foot in the door, like you do as a Linux system administrator, the sky's the limit. Whatever you really like and really want to do, or you can find something that you absolutely love in IT. And you don't have to know everything about computers to get started. I think that holds people back and can scare some people, that they feel like, well, I barely can turn on my laptop. How am I going to do this? But take that leap, take that faith in yourself. And when you see a program that you like I found, take that opportunity, get on it and do it. I talked to Juby, and in 2 days I was in the program and just started. So I didn't wait. I found what I liked, jumped on it, and I suggest that to everyone and anyone who wants to get started in IT.